Hi everyone, John Matthews here with Adventure Awaits World Travel. We just arrived at our Nile View Room at the Ritz Carlton Cairo for our AmaWaterways Egypt experience. So let's take a look. It's a gorgeous room. Ritz Carlton is a beautiful hotel. And look at this great big room. A nice big beautiful king size bed and beautiful decorations. Got light tables on both sides of the bed with individually controlled lights and European and UK plugs. The beds are not lofted, but that's okay. Got a bench here at the foot of the bed for you to sit on and enjoy while you're here. Got a beautiful seating area over here with a sofa and a big coffee table. Another night table with more plugs. And they have controls for the lights and the curtains and everything, which is very cool. So just beautiful. And one of the best features of the room is our view of the Nile River right there. It's nighttime now, obviously. So a little bit of reflection from inside the room, but you can see it's a gorgeous view and right on the banks of the Nile River. So just beautiful. We're excited to be here. We just got here today, after flying from Dallas to London Heathrow and Heathrow to Cairo. And over here we have a desk with more plugs and an old-fashioned radio, which is very cool. And beautiful desk with a nice comfy padded chair and another chair to use while you're there. Over here we have a nice flat screen TV and plenty of drawers, lots of storage. And oh wow, got a little mini bar in here, which is very nice, not included. Closets here. So extra bedding and robes to use while you're here, and an ironing board and an iron down there on the floor. So very nice. And there's all the shelves again for storage. And another closet over here. So more hanging space for shorter garments, more extra bedding up there. There's a safe for your valuables right here, and more shelves. So, and then over here we have a beverage station, coffee and tea service, which is very nice, and complimentary water bottles. And down here we've got cups and ice bucket and other amenities. There's a thermostat for controlling the temperature in the room. And we have an adjoining door, so you can have adjoining rooms if you wanted to. And then last but not least is this big beautiful bathroom right inside the door. So another robe right here. Got great big double vanity, which is very nice. Lots of storage underneath the sink. Great big beautiful soaking tub. So very nice. Got the facilities in here in a separate room for privacy, and a nice great big walk-in shower with a multiple choice shower head. So, and bath amenities as well. So just a gorgeous room at the Ritz Carlton Cairo, and we're thrilled to be here for our 11-night-long Egypt and Nile experience with AmaWaterways. So when you're ready to book your Nile River cruise or any river cruise, contact us and we'll help make your dreams come true. If you like our videos, please like and subscribe to our channel and sign up for the free Adventure Club emails on our website. Thanks.